If you want to make real money dropshipping, you need to know how to use Facebook ads. I know TikTok's the new cool thing on the block, but I promise you nobody is making real money with TikTok. It's good for testing products, but once you find something that works, you need to move to Facebook if you actually want to scale. This is the exact campaign structure that made me $1 million last year on one of my dropshipping stores, so let's get into it. The last one is the most important one that everyone gets wrong. I know it's annoying that I have to save it for last, but I'm just trying to go in order of how you set up the campaign so that you can follow along step by step and don't get confused. For this tutorial, I'm assuming it's a brand new ad account. If you're already doing 30K a month, I probably would do things a little differently, but the principles will still apply. You'll just have more campaigns. Number one, always use campaign budget optimization. Don't waste your time with ABOs, I promise you. Two, and this honestly should have been one, your campaign objective should be sales and your conversion event should be purchases. That's what we're going for, right? We want to make money. Three, make sure your attribution setting is 7-day click. View through attributions will waste your money. Don't use them. Number four, and this is the most important one that everybody gets wrong. Do not use any targeting. Just leave it broad. Don't target different ages. Don't target different genders. Don't target different interests. Just let the Facebook algorithm do its thing. It needs as many people as possible to choose from to get you the lowest cost conversions it can. Other than that, just set your ad to start at midnight tonight and let the money print.